Hi guys, meet again with various tutorials. How are you? Are you still in good spirits? Guys, long hair is a blessing. But sometimes it makes you confused about what to do, right? Don't worry, I have the solution. Here is hairdo inspiration for various events. From formal to casual events, you can handle everything with this tutorial. Have you ever tried this hairstyle? Tag your friends who must see this. This tutorial is very easy, come on, share it with your friends. Have questions about this tutorial? Write in the comments column, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to get more interesting hair tutorials. Thank you for watching.